Hello teacher, my name is Daniel Fabian Melo, case name Airbnb, that 18 March 2022. Problem definition: the Airbnb company decides to make a change of brand, change of logo, and also of mission and vision. What happened with this is that the strategy was not planned in the best way and did not have optimal results. I cannot convey its purpose to its clients. Causes: change your logo with something that had nothing to do with it. Expand the company by making change from its mission to its logo or slogan. Consequences: the media satirizes the Velo logo. They made the logo look sexual and had been posted on Tumblr. Thank you.